In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to change your Behance password. Whether you're updating for security reasons or simply want a better, more memorable password, we've got you covered. You'll find that the process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, you're going to sign in to Adobe. If you're already logged in, great. If not, open your preferred web browser and head over to account.adobe.com/security. This is your control panel for managing all things related to your security settings, including your password. Once you're on the security page, look for the password section. Here, you'll see an option that says Change. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you begin the process of updating your password. To move forward, Adobe will want to confirm that it's really you making the changes. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering your current password. This step is crucial since it helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Take a moment to type in your current password, and when you're ready, click Continue to proceed to the next step. You're now on the home stretch. It's time to enter your new password. Make sure it's something strong yet memorable. A good password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid simple or predictable passwords, as they can be easily guessed. Once you've thought of a strong password, go ahead and enter it in the designated field. You'll be prompted to confirm it by typing it in again. This ensures that you've entered the same password correctly and without any mistakes. When you've done that, click on the Update Password button. At this point, your new password is set. Adobe also gives you an optional choice to enhance your security even further. You can choose to sign out of all active logins on other devices. This is particularly useful if you think someone else might know your old password, or if you've logged into Adobe services on shared computers. To do this, simply select the option provided. And that's it. Your password is successfully updated, and your account security is improved. Remember, keeping your password strong and updated regularly is one of the best practices in digital safety. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.